We will explain how to prepare the Leica iCON Trade software using Leica iCON ICS20 and ICS50 together with Leica vPen or vPole for the first time. Before starting the activation, make sure that your tablet and instrument are charged. At least 50% of battery is required. First, switch on the instrument by pressing the power button. Unlock your tablet and connect to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile network. Start the pre-installed Leica iCON Trades software. Allow iCON Trades to access all required data. Read and accept the terms of conditions. Enter the software entitlement ID delivered on the invoice and confirm. When using the software for the first time, it is required to update it to the latest version. Press the Download and Install button. Once the download is finished, press Settings. Allow from this source and proceed with the update. Now your iCON Trade software is updated and ready to use. Press the Add button to see the available devices. Tap on the instrument you want to connect to. The serial number is printed on the bottom of the instrument. When using the instrument for the first time, as soon as the connection is established, an automatic instrument activation is performed. Your instrument is ready to use when the activation is finished. Let's add the remote now. Switch on the remote control by pressing the On/Off button. Press the Add button on the device manager. Tap on the remote control on the tablet to connect it. When the remote is connected, the remote menu appears on the top bar. If all of your devices were added, press the Next button. In this step, you can add your targets, for example, vPen and vPole. Press the Add button and select the target type. Enter the serial number of the target which is printed on the side of the vPen. Download the calibration file automatically from the internet. When the vPen is added, it appears in the Targets menu on the top bar. Repeat the same steps to add the vSphere. Press the Add button and select the target type. Enter the serial number of the target, which is printed on the side of the vSphere. Download the calibration file automatically or select the previously downloaded file manually. When the vSphere is added, it appears in the Targets menu. To prepare vPole, mount the vSphere on the top of the construction pole, attach the pole tip to the bottom of the pole, slide the tablet holder adapter on the pole. Attach the tablet adapter to the pole. It is recommended to do a user calibration of vPole after assembling all elements together. Check out how to calibrate a vPole video. Press Next to finish the activation. Your iCON Trade software and all equipment is now ready to use.